Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming the Visa gift card balance and expiration. This avoids declines. Next, register the card with the issuer if it needs activation, and note the billing ZIP code. Then open Steam, choose your account, and navigate to Wallet or Add Funds so you can apply payment. Once done, select the amount you want to add. Make sure to pick an amount less than or equal to the card balance, because partial declines will complicate the next steps. You should now select Add a credit/debit card as the payment option, then carefully type the 16-digit number, expiration month/year, CVV, and the billing ZIP you registered with the issuer. Steam may run a small authorization. This is normal and releases automatically. If the transaction is declined, reduce the add funds amount to less than the card balance, then retry. Make sure the card has not hit a daily limit and that the billing address matches. You complete the payment and wait for Steam Wallet to update. It usually appears immediately. Once the wallet balance shows the funds, you can purchase games or gift items without re-entering the card. If Steam still rejects the card, first confirm the card is registered and has enough remaining balance, then contact the card issuer about authorization holds. If that fails, try a different payment method or split the purchase. Use another card for the remainder, because Steam will not always accept partial payments from some gift cards.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.